Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. It is day 3, 11 a.m. in the morning. Right now, I am at Busai Dream Falls. It was a very good place. I highly recommend it. Our next stop is going to be a Loboc river cruise. See you over there. If you come over here, if you're not driving, take the vehicle. As long as there is no rain, you will enjoy the ride around the island. The scenic view is fantastic. Look. No traffic, nobody, only me and the road. It was beautiful. It is only 7 km distance from Busai waterfalls. The ride time is only 15 minutes. This side of area really scenic view. Fantastic. Right now, I'm here at River Cruise Shopping Complex. This is the place. I just parked my vehicle. Now I'm going in, buy the ticket. That's the entrance. That's the place. Look at it. Ticket here.
Number 300. Number 300. Number 2.
Hi, good afternoon. The ticket is 1,000, right?
Yeah.
Including the parking.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the ticket.
Priority number 2. Number 2. Number 3. Priority number 3.
Gate number 3.
Gate number 3. Okay. Number 3. Hi. So we are going to gate number 3. Look at that. 1 to 5 gates are available right now. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Hello. Hi. Very welcoming. I hope everything going to be fine. Gate 3. Go down. Let's check it out. How it is? So this okay?
Okay, sir, you go there. Other side, go there.
Sure. I'm on board. Hi, how are you?
The table number are here. I'll give you one table.
Sure, no worries.
You want to order? We have a beer, Coke, and Sprite. Which do you want?
Probably Coke is fine.
Coca-Cola?
Yes. Thank you. Yeah, how are you?
Can you write your name here for the passenger manifest for the cost card?
Sure, I will. This is the dessert section. Have a 6 variety of dessert there, including fruits, canapes, salad bar, and the food was excellent. You should try it. I highly recommend also. The soup was very hot. These drinks you need to pay extra. This is not part of the buffet. So I have noodles, fried rice, beef, pork satay, chicken, and curry. We are moving. It was 1 hour boat ride back and forth. The ride was very smooth. I really loved it. The barbecue pork was very good. I really liked it.
tayo ay matanda. Sana di tayo magbago, at kailanman nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha ang pagkayang at tumayakan at yakapin, hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya ibigin mo?
Now we are approaching Busai Falls. This is the end of the Loboc river cruise. So we have to return. From here, if you look up, you can see people are doing high-speed zip line. That experience very scary. That video coming soon. Please wait. Let's go a little bit more closer. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe channel would be awesome. Thank you.
Open eye. breeze cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Bye.